Welcome everyone. Sorry for the disturbance in the background. There's some function going on in my neighborhood. But if you are still watching this video and you are right here after completing the series, trust me, you are almost about to learn Python, because if you have survived this, you will easily survive the following videos also. Right, so let's start with what dictionary is. So now dictionary is another type of data set that is available in Python. Now dictionary is a special type which is written in curly brackets. What dictionary is used for? Dictionary is very useful. It is used to hold a value with respect to its key. Right, what it means is it follows a key value pair. So a dictionary has a key followed by a value to it. Right, it has multiple keys and multiple values. One thing that you should note is that whenever you're writing a key, you should keep it as simple as possible, and usually it's immutable objects that make a key, and value could be immutable or mutable objects. Right, now let's come to what I mean by that. Let's try to directly understand by a practical application how a dictionary can be made. So to make a dictionary, all you have to create is a variable. So let me create dict is a reserved variable, that is a function to create dictionary itself. So let's take dict dict, or I can say just oh my god, it's so confusing, right? So I will say dictionary for now. Okay, dictionary. Let's create a variable dictionary. I could have simply written d, but never mind. Okay, dictionary. So what I can do is, in here I will use curly brackets and I will specify a key. Now we can also use integers. Select 1 is equals to value 1. Right, maybe then comes a comma. Right, this is a syntax in which you will be writing dictionaries. I'll say 2 is equals to value 2 comma. Okay, keeping it very short. So on, you can proceed that way. When I print dictionary, right, so what I get is in an output that I have created a dictionary. And if I try to use type command, like what type of data it is, I'm expecting it to be dictionary because I've created one. Right, so this is my output and it says dict. Right, so it is a class dictionary dict. Right, reserved keyword. So it means you can also use dict as a function to create a dictionary. What I mean by that is, suppose I can use you can say my dictionary dict is equals to, you can go this way, you can say dict, right, and you can go in it as in, like, you can go for like brand. Maybe let's take car for an example. Brand is equals to Ford. Okay, um okay, what will I take? I'll take model. Model is equals to Mustang. Next I'm gonna take year of manufacturing, probably that I'll take as 2016. Okay, so yeah, now say print my dictionary. Right, my dict. That way when you run it, yep, you get this curly brackets, and this is how you can also make dictionary. So till now we have covered the ways in which we can declare or make a dictionary. Now let's understand what we can do with a dictionary. So first of all, let's try to see how can we access element. Right, so what I mean by access element, so for example, I need to access the brand of my car. All right, so what I will do is I will say my dict, and I will go for at brand. Right, let me just print it out for you. Okay, brand is not defined, so it is a text. Right, this is how you go and you get Ford. Okay, so this is how it means to accessing an element in dictionary. In the same manner, you can add element to dictionary also. So for suppose my dictionary, say suppose at color is equals to, I like black, so let it be black. Okay, and when you say again print, we can use this command right above there. So this is one thing that I'll update in my dictionary. I'll add an element. This is how you add an element in your dictionary. right? You added it, and now let me run this print my dictionary. Great, you see there's a color now available in it. Okay, what if I have to delete an element? So again, you can use your commands like pop, right? My dictionary dot pop, right? And you can specify which item do you want to pop, or else you can use, if you want to directly remove the last item of your dictionary, go for dot pop item. It will directly pop the last item of your dictionary. Okay, these are the methods that you can use. Or also you can use one is like delete my dictionary at say color. Okay, so you can also delete something. All those command will do the same thing. I'm just explaining in different ways, so making you versatile in writing a code, so you need not be stick with just delete command. You know a lot of commands to work on, and maybe you will find your favorite one, and you can do whatever way you want to delete things. Right now, let me explain you once, like also you see we have covered a lot of things in the past that are applicable over here, like you can merge dictionaries also, right? Concatenation, and yeah, and you can also like get a validity whether if your key exists or not. Say like you can say print now since we have removed color, so let's check color in my dictionary, right? So what I will do is I'll get false, because no, there is no key named as color now in my dictionary. So all these things, I really encourage you that if you have to learn Python professionally, you should by now understand all these things. And you need not worry if you don't understand by now. Just go onto the links that I have provided, watch my videos again, watch other people's video on YouTube, watch as much as you can and try to learn. Also, if you have any doubt, I'm readily available here to help you. You can just comment it out, and I'll make sure that as soon as possible I'll get back to you. This is the major things that you need to know about your dictionary, right? Now suppose that just like this delete command, if you have to completely clear your dictionary, so there's also a clear command that you can go by. Say my dictionary dot clear, right? This is how you can also empty up your dictionary, totally nullified. Now if I go and print my dictionary, you will see that my dictionary is a blank dictionary, just empty curly brackets. This is how you define dictionary. Also you can have nested dictionary. Now let me discuss what nested dictionary means. So when I say dictionary, you can say school is equals to, you can go for, say suppose you have student 1 as your key. Okay, keys can be also of any data type like integer or string. You will say for student 1, again you will nest a dictionary. A it's like this. You see, this is a dictionary inside a dictionary. This is known as nesting, right? So student can have a name, right? So you will say name, right? You will associate it to something, say x name. Okay, the always specify the comma, right? Then you will say age, whatever, like you can think about whatever things you have to include. I will say like let the age be 15. Then you can say id. A student will have an id, so that could be 10, right? Similarly, you can create multiple students like this. If you go control plus C, control plus V, add a comma every time, never miss commas, right? Because if your syntax is not right, you will get an error. Okay, let's try to make this. Okay, so I'll say student number 2, age 15, id 11, so on. Like, just to explain you, this is a simple example. If I run this, okay, I get invalid syntax at id. Yeah, there's a comma missing over here. Okay, So when I run this, yep, that's the dictionary school. Now when I say print school, so you can see what the output looks like. So for now, the school has student 1 and student 2. So if I say, if I need details of student 1, so I will say student 1. Give me the details of student 1. So this is how you can get the details of student 1. So you see how dictionary is very useful. Okay, yeah, there's a space in that name in 1. Okay, give me the details of student 1, and this is how you see dictionary is very useful. You get name, age, and ID. Okay, now inside student 1 you can also go for like give me his name. I only want the name, nothing more. So you can do this. There you go, you have his name, only name, that is X. Alright, I hope you had fun time learning this. This really clears a lot of aspects that are required to learn Python. In the next lesson we are shortly covering the sets, need not even make a video on it, but yeah, fine, we will complete the entire series. That's it. Thank you everyone for showing your love to me. Love you all.